radiate warmth. Charismatic people are often described as warm and approachable. See, research has shown that when you are perceived as a person that's warm, people are more likely to trust you and embrace your ideas. One of the most powerful yet underappreciated ways is by smiling. I grew up in the 90s with NWA and Ice Cube saying, brothers always gotta show their teeth, like it was a bad thing. And after I got older, I was like, I'm around people in business and I actually need to loosen my face up and smile at the appropriate time and actually be able to smile. For me, just kind of half smile, which is what I do, it actually opens up the warmthness that people actually perceive you as. Studies have shown that smiling causes people to consider you more approachable and, more importantly, more competent. Even more fascinating, research by Dr. Robert Zurich shown that when facial muscles contort for a smile, blood flows to your brain increases and it lowers your brain's temperature. This will naturally produce a feeling of pleasure and puts a mood of optimism throughout your body. Smile at another person, they perceive you as warm and in a positive light, which are the hallmarks of charisma. So smiling has often been shown as a mirror neuron in the brain, which means when you smile, it causes other people to reciprocate.